In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Google account on my Samsung phone. So I'm easily change my Google account. Simply just open your Google Apps, press on to Google, showing it to profile, press on this arrow option. I'm just easily switch my account, just press on to switch account, and I'm at new another account and just simply log in to another account. Just enter password. Okay, and usually sign in to new account and profile, and just need to switch account. So that's how we can easily add Google account.